Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been already 2 weeks since Cody was born. And I've not done a lot of vlogging. Bad. But I just have been like, just in newborn baby land and just not even thinking about getting the camera out. So my apologies for that. But I do want to share my postpartum journey back to fitness with you. So I'm going to give you like a little postpartum body update. We're on day 16 now after his birth. And then I'm going to show you what workout I'm doing. So the first thing to show you, I guess, is kind of where my physique is at. This is me at 16 days after popping another baby out. And since I know you guys will be curious about this, I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself, even though I don't do this very often, just because I know people are gonna wanna know how much weight I gained and lost. So there I am at 135, and after just having eaten lunch. But my top weight at the peak of this pregnancy was 160. So I've lost a lot already. I definitely think things heal faster with the second baby. Like everything's just easier with the second baby than with the first. So yeah, I feel like I'm recovering quicker this time around than I did with Kai. The tummy is like almost flat already almost, which is kind of crazy. I mean, I definitely still have like loose belly skin, kind of wrinkly, see what I'm saying? It's going to tighten up over time, but that is not something you can really speed up. It just has to, you have to give it your time. Other than that, I feel like my uterus has shrunken back quickly this time, which is pretty amazing. It's incredible what the body can do when you are in shape before pregnancy and then stay in shape during it. That is the secret sauce. I keep getting asked, what's the secret to bouncing back so fast? And the secret is you just stay fit the whole time. Anyway, that is where I'm at right now, and every mama's body is gonna be different, so definitely don't do no comparisons, because wherever you're at is great and it's all unique, and never compare yourself to any other woman because your journey is gonna be different. So there's that. That being said, I'm gonna show you my workout today. So I'm gonna be following my Live Lean Mom workout program, which is follow along workout videos. You can see here on the computer, and they're really awesome workouts. I've been following these lately because they make sure that you train your full body. They're well structured and you can do them at home with like minimal to no equipment, sometimes dumbbells, sometimes your baby, sometimes just your body weight with your baby nearby. I'm just on my own today because Cody is watching football with daddy, and then Kyla is down for her nap. So it's perfect time for me to sneak in a quick workout. So let's do this. So this is just your warm-up move. So really focus on your core engaging and start to breathe more deeply. Start loosening up, getting some energy flowing through your body. We're doing 5 per side. One more, just like that. We're gonna keep going with these 2 moves to help us get warmed up. Work it, baby. We're doing just 22 seconds per side, so just get as many reps as you can on one side for the first 22 seconds, and then we will switch to the other side. So try to keep this plank nice and straight, the same amount of work on the other side. You can sort of use your arms to help lift you up, or if you want more challenge, then cross your arms like this. I like to kind of work the arms a little bit here too, even though you're not using weights. You can kind of engage your biceps and triceps by doing a little curl with each rep. Okay, we're doing the other side now. Quickly switch and go. Toning that stubborn lower ab area. Oh yes. So keep squeezing that glute, get as many as you can, and then at 22 seconds, switch. And do the other side. So just really focus on squeezing your muscles. Within the first 6 months postpartum, you'll be doing this version. We got 14 seconds remaining. Almost there. Take big deep breaths here. Doing great. Almost done. Okay, good. So now we're back to the very top of the workout, starting with those side plank knee raises. So I hope you enjoyed seeing like a little sample of what it's like to follow these follow along workouts. They are super helpful if you're a new mom and you're not sure what's safe and what's not safe for your postpartum body. Everything in this program is safe and you get to see me doing it as I'm postpartum as well. So you can get this program at LiveLeanTV.com in our programs page. I'll be continuing to share like more of what I'm eating and how I'm training, but you know, just at the end of the day, I want you to always remember there is no secret. It's just about being really consistent and staying fit the same as you would even if you were not postpartum. I'm not going on a diet. I'm not doing any extreme, really challenging, crazy workouts. It's all just about general consistency and waking up every day with the same goal to live lean. So I hope that helps you if you are struggling or unsure of what to do, how to get yourself back in shape. I just want you to know that it will happen when you're consistent with living the lean lifestyle. That's really all the secret that there is to it. So I really hope this was helpful for you and you learned a little something that you will take with you into your future. I did a little Instagram Q&A on my Insta stories the other day. If you follow me at Jessica Guthrow Fitness, and then maybe you saw that already, but I was just overwhelmed at how many postpartum questions I got. So if you do have any questions about postpartum, please let me know here because I'd love to share more stuff on YouTube. That way the content lasts forever instead of Insta story where it's gone in 24 hours. So yeah, YouTube is the best place to ask me your questions, and I'd be happy to make a video that's specifically answering postpartum questions if that would be helpful, or just, you know, continue to answer those questions in the future as I'm sharing my postpartum journey with you guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you at the next video.